Thinking about unlocking access to Tesla Superchargers for your CCS-compatible EV? The Lectron NACS to CCS adapter might be the game changer you've been waiting for. But is it really worth it? Let's dive into what makes this EV adapter a hot topic in the electric vehicle community. What is it? This isn't your average plug. The Lectron NACS to CCS adapter allows CCS1 electric vehicles, like those from Ford, Rivian, GM, and Hyundai, to charge using Tesla's vast supercharger network. It's rated for up to 500 amps and 1,000 volts, delivering serious power and flexibility. That means faster charging, more convenience, and fewer worries about finding a compatible station. Why it's a big deal? Tesla Superchargers are known for being fast, reliable, and widely available. Until now, they've mostly been exclusive to Tesla owners. But with the industry moving toward NACS as a universal standard, adapters like this one are opening up new possibilities. What users love. A lot of EV owners are saying this adapter is a game changer. Drivers mention that it works seamlessly with many V3 superchargers, unlocking access to hundreds of new charging locations across the US. Others appreciate the build quality. It's sturdy, weather-resistant, and feels premium right out of the box. Many also highlight how it's compact and easy to store, making it a solid glove box addition for road trips. Oh, but here's what you should know. Some users report compatibility issues, particularly with older CCS1 vehicles or EVs that haven't yet rolled out the latest software updates. That's why Lectron recommends checking with your automaker before purchasing to confirm that your car is NACS ready. A few reviews mention inconsistent charging results depending on the supercharger location, especially with non-Tesla vehicles that don't yet fully support third-party NACS charging. Pro tip, not all superchargers are currently open to non-Tesla EVs. Make sure you're heading to a Magic Dock or open access site and double-check your route with PlugShare or your vehicle's app. $Price check. Compared to some competing adapters, the Lectron offers strong value, especially with its high current rating and Tesla Vortex plug. If you drive the CCS1 EV and want to tap into the Tesla network, this could be one of the best upgrades for your charging toolkit. Bottom line, if your EV is compatible, the Lectron NACS to CCS adapter could unlock faster charging, more convenience, and better access to one of the most reliable networks in North America. Just make sure to verify compatibility first. Want to check the current price or see if there's a deal today? The link is available in the video description below. Subscribe to Amazon Secrets Revealed for honest reviews, Amazon tech finds, and real-world performance breakdowns updated weekly.